If your money finishes before the month ends, if you don't know where your salary or business income goes, and budgeting feels like something only rich or disciplined people can do, then this video is for you. Budgeting in Nigeria is quite different, and this is because prices change, income can be very irregular, and family pressure is real. So today, I'll show you how to budget in Nigeria as a beginner, realistically, not perfectly. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I create honest practical content around money, business, and real life in Nigeria. On this video, I'll be breaking budgeting down from ground zero by plugging into a system that actually works. And by the end of this video, you'll know what budgeting means, why most Nigerians fail at budgeting, and a simple budgeting method you can start today. Now, what does budgeting really mean? Budgeting is not about suffering like so many people believe, and it is not about cutting all enjoyment from your life. It's also not about knowing exact figures every month. It simply means telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. If you don't budget, your money will always obey emergencies, family requests, impulse buying, and societal pressures, and you'll always feel broke even when you are earning. Here's why budgeting is hard in Nigeria. Let's be honest, budgeting is harder in Nigeria because income is not stable. Some months you are earning well and some months it's dry, so fixed budgeting doesn't work. Secondly, the cost of living is constantly changing. Your transport today is not your transport tomorrow, and food prices increase without warning. Take for instance, during the festive season, they escalated the transport fare, escalated Uber fare, food, and all of that. And now that festive season is done, transport fare is still the same. In Nigeria, the prices never go back to default. It remains at the prices they escalated it to. Lastly, family and social pressure. You are expected to help at all times, whether you have or you don't. You are expected to say yes to every family member's need. Ignoring this reality is why so many people quit budgeting. So instead of fighting the reality that these things are always there, you have to figure out a way to plan around them. First step to budgeting is know your real monthly income. If you're a salary earner, use your net income, not what is on your employment letter. If you're a business owner or an entrepreneur, look at the average of your income in the last 3 to 6 months and use the lowest reasonable amounts. Why are we doing it this way? Because budgeting with money that you are hoping to get will always fail. It is very important to start small and start honest. Step number 2 to budgeting: separate needs from pressure. And this is where most beginners get stuck. So this is how you know your needs. Your needs are your rent, food, transport, data, and basic bills. Pressure is impulse buying, unplanned outings, emotional spending, and that's just manage, I'll pay you back. If you start treating your pressure like a need, your budget will collapse. Always budget your needs first, then decide what you can afford to give or enjoy, not the other way around. Don't go and be enjoying first before you start budgeting your needs. Step 3, use a simple budget structure. What do I mean by this? You don't need complicated formulas. All you need is dedicate 50 to 60% for your needs, 20 to 30% for savings and emergency, 10 to 20% for flex or enjoyment money. If your income is small, that is still okay. If you're saving 1,000 naira consistently, it's better than saving nothing at all. Step 4 and the last step, track. Don't judge yourself. With tracking, you'll be aware of how your money is spent. You can use your notes app, you can use your WhatsApp, and you can use a notebook for this. Write down what you spent and what you spent it on. Budgeting improves when you're aware of where your money is going and what you spend your money on. So you need to know that budgeting as a beginner in Nigeria is not about being perfect. It's about progress, awareness, and control. Your money will never respect you if you don't give it direction. Start small, but start. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share with someone you know who needs it. And let me know in the comments, what part of budgeting do you struggle with the most? I'll see you on my next video.